Okay, intermediate 250cc all. Final hit. So dito pa rin tayo sa Balay-Balay City, Bukidnon, Kaamulan Festival. Third leg of Motor Race Series 2024. So nada Galicia Rayo. Na si Ibrahim yata na dia. So makita na to ni ron guys.
Para din sa kasayuran, basig tayo naghulat yun sa inyong idol board now. Nasa injury pa si idol board king. Nakapasa injury.
Ayan na, gibuya na. Intermediate 250cc. Wow! All shot. Rayo Ipanag, Galicia.
Nagpahigalan nangunguna sa lahat.
Yan, kinsa man ni. Hop.
Proxy Panag.
Yan, Rayo.
Yes.
Ikaw na. Intermediate production 250cc all.
Kaminaw ha.
Yan.
245 84.
Rayo Ipanag leading. Pride of Balay-Balay City, Bukidnon. From TV 111 and Tech Noise Racing. And followed by Lawrence Galicia. I think it's from Kapalong, Davao del Norte. Yan. Wow! Grabe kayo! Oy, Galicia! Grabe bay! Grabe manira yung matawanan eh. Yan, backpack na ito na max. Hop! Ay, nahiya doon, Galicia. Ayan, Rayo Ipanag. Yapo, nakauna. Third guys, wala ko kailan na. Ayan. So, I think it's Charlie Ibrahim. Ayan. Okay lang siya.
Tama ba?
Ayan. So, Rayo Ipanag, Yapon leading. Outside Galicia. Ayun, no? Ayan. Intermediate 250cc. Intermediate 250cc. Wow. Inside. Yan. Lupad. Kalayo abay. Galicia pod. Kalayo abay. Grabe ni mga rediran eh. Oy, short. Rayo, short. Oy, short pod, Galicia. Ayan. Outside. Third doon, number 17. So, Rayo gyapon ni Panag, pero Lawrence Galicia andyan lang sa likuran. Outside Rayo, outside. Yan. Oy, ay natumba si Ibrahim. Ayan, oh. Wow. Yellow flag. Oy. Yellow flag, oy. Oy, nag-jump. Ayan. Wow. Short, short Galicia. Ayan. Rayo gihapon leading. Pero Lawrence Galicia andyan lang sa likuran. Ayun, oh. So Lawrence Galicia on second. Yan. Oh, yellow flag. Yan. Oh, Galicia on second. Ayun, no? Inside. Wow! Grabe lagi wabay. Oy! Yan. Short. Yan na, Bek? Wala na. Lobo lang. Single. Yan. Hop section. Outside, outside. Ayan. Andyan lang sa likuran, Lawrence Galicia behind Rayo Ipanag. Ayun. Overlap, 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 overlap. Overlap. Yun.
Next line, get ready. Veterans and Underboard Plus. Veterans and
Inside. At grabe layo abay. Galicia. Wow! Layo po kayo bay. Double. Swak lang yun. Double. Double short yun. Klaro kayo. Okay.
Okay, this is Proxy
Yan.
from Technoise Racing. Hadler, rider. Hadler sa rider, siyempre ang official na manager na Boss Yoyong Ipanag mga higala. Boss Yoyong nagbunga na ang mga bighati at mga hirap na dinanas.
Rayo Ipanag leading all the way. White flag na po tayo. White flag. Ayan, last lap, last lap. Last lap. White flag, white flag. Inside. Inside. And wow. Oy! Oy, 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 oy! Munti ka na doon ha, Galicia. Yan. Munti ka na doon. Lawrence Galicia. Lingo-lingo ko siya. Yan. Last lap, last lap. White flag na po tayo, white flag. Ayun, no? Last lap, last lap.
Next in line, get ready. The veterans class category. Ayan na sila sa linya. Pagkatapos yan,
Last lap, last lap.
class final. The Underboard
Waiting
Plus
for
final
checkered flag, Rayo Ipanag.
Motor Race.
Ayan, congrats, champion. Intermediate 250cc. May patrix pa ha. May patrix pa sa ibabaw. Ayun, champion. Intermediate 250cc, Rayo Ipanag. From Team Beam 111 and Technoise Racing. Yan. So, congrats. Second, it's Lawrence Galicia. Third, where's third? Yan.